Congratulations, you've made it to the end of the series. And if you've been watching along the whole time, you got a lot of information in your head right now. So this final video is a little bit different. No theory, no options, just your action plan, your step-by-step for the first 30 days. Let's get into it. This is video 6, the last in the series, all the ways to make money on Pinterest. We've covered Amazon in all its form, affiliate marketing, digital products, physical products. Now it's time to pull all of that together and tell you exactly what to do, when to do, and in what order. This is your roadmap, not theory, but a plan. And if you haven't watched the previous videos, go back and start at video 1. The full playlist is linked in the description below. Before anything else, you need to make a decision. What path are you going to take? Here's your recap. Amazon. There are lots of ways that this is connected. Associates, sellers, influencer program, account integration. If you're not sure what fits you, go back to video 2. Affiliate marketing, the darling of the day. You promote other people's products and earn commissions. A great starting point if you don't have your own products yet. Digital products, create something once, sell it over and over. Very high profit margins, but the buying and the download experience has to be seamless. That's the piece that most people miss. Physical products, selling on Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, or your own site. Pinterest users are actively shopping, so this one is really, really profitable. Now, do you have to pick just one? No, a lot of people combine methods, selling their own products and doing affiliate marketing on the side. But your first 30 days, pick one primary focus, get really good at that, then add more. So let's dive in. Week 1 is all about your foundations. Days 1 through 3, get your Pinterest account in order. Watch Netflix while you're doing it. If you haven't already, here's what you need. A Pinterest business account, not personal, business. A profile optimized with keywords and your name in your bio. Then claim your website. Pinterest analytics will get turned on with this as well. If you've been through my beginner series, you've already done this. If not, pause this video and go and get it done, then come back. Days 4 through 7, set up your monetization platform. And this is where it gets specific to your path. Going the Amazon Associates route, apply for the program, get approved, and spend some time in the dashboards so you're really familiar with it and you know how to get your affiliate links. Doing some other affiliate marketing, same method. Sign up for the networks, figure out the programs, find your niche, and apply to maybe 3 to 5 that are a really good fit for you. Selling digital products, get your shop live on Shopify, Gumroad, Etsy, whatever you're selling. Then test it yourself. Go through the checkout process, download it, see, are you annoyed with this? Then you know your potential customer will be too. You'd be surprised at how many people skip this step and then wonder why they're not converting. Selling physical products, that's great. Get your shop up, upload your catalog if you're on Shopify, and make sure your product pages have really great images and super solid descriptions. By the end of the week, your accounts are live. You are ready to go. Okay, real quick. Here's what I want you to hold on to before we move into week 2. The goal of week 1 is not perfection. It's preparation. You're building infrastructure so that when your pins start driving traffic, and they will, there's actually somewhere for people to go. Week 2 is all about creating pins that are going to drive traffic to make the sale. Days 8 through 10, pick your first product or your content to promote, to start to pin on Pinterest. Start with 3 or 5, not 20, not your entire catalog. Just 3 to 5. If you're doing affiliate marketing, choose products you've actually used and can honestly recommend. I guarantee that's the best way to get the sale. That matters more than you think. Your audience can feel the difference. If you're selling your own products, pick those 3 to 5 as well. Your best sellers, or maybe the ones you want to focus on right now. Days 11 through 14, create your first pins. For each product or piece of content, make 2 to 3 designs. Here's what every pin needs. 1, the size. It has to be vertical. 1000 by 1500. Pinterest is mobile first, as pretty much everything is, so that matters. High quality images, lifestyle shots always work best. A clear, keyword-rich title, a description that explains what the product is, who it's for, and why someone should click, and a direct link to the product page or the blog post, not your homepage, this specific page. Use Canva. It's our favorite, and whatever design tool you want to use is obviously totally fine for you. But we are big Canva fans. And this is not the time to get fancy. Be clear. Week 3, you're going to start showing up. Day 15 through 17, publisher pins. Save each pin to the most relevant board first, and don't publish everything at once. We do not need your Pinterest profile completely inundated with the same pin over and over. Day 18 through 21, your daily pinning momentum. Aim for 5 to 10 pins per day. Should be a mix, your own product pins, affiliate pins, curated content. Make sure your boards look active and full. Now, this doesn't have to take you hours. 15 to 20 minutes a day is more than plenty. If you're using something like Tailwind, that's a really great scheduling tool that we recommend. There's a link down below in the description, or you can use Pinterest's native scheduling tool. You want to be consistent, not frantic. Okay, I want to pause here for a second because a lot of people get to week 3 and they start second guessing themselves. Am I doing this right? Why aren't I seeing results yet? Totally normal. We're going to talk about realistic expectations in just a minute, but for now, keep going. Okay, week 4 is about paying attention. Day 22 through 25, open up Pinterest Analytics. It's super cool in there. You're looking for 3 things. Which pins are getting the most impressions, which pins are getting the most outbound clicks, and which pins are driving traffic to your product pages. Then check your shop or your affiliate dashboard. Are you getting clicks or sales? Which products are actually performing? Okay, day 26 through 28, adjust if you need to, or keep doing what you've always done based on what the data is telling you. Create more pins similar to your top performers. Test new keywords, maybe new angles. Double down on what's converting. Day 29 through 30, plan for month 2. Pick 3 to 5 new products or pieces of content for next month. Get your pinning scheduled ahead for at least 2 weeks so you're not scrambling. That's a really great benefit to Pinterest. Okay, let's talk about expectations because I think this is so important. After 30 days, you probably are not going to be making the $10,000 a month or thousands, and that's okay. Here's what you should realistically see. You're getting some impressions, you're getting some saves. Maybe a few clicks are going to your product pages or your affiliate links. Maybe you have your first sale or 2, but that might be it. Don't let that discourage you. Here's the truth about Pinterest. Months 2 and 3 are sometimes where we see momentum, even 4, 5, and 6. The algorithm rewards consistency. It takes time to learn what your content is about and who to show it to. Most people quit at about 6 weeks because they don't see instant results or no dopamine hits. Don't be that person. The people who are making real income on Pinterest are the ones who push through the messy middle. The point that feels like nothing is happening and then suddenly it does. After the first 30 days, here's what your routine should look like going forward. Daily. Pin about 5 to 10 pins per day. It's a mix of your own content. You can certainly do curated content from other people if you want. It is not necessary. You can respond to comments and messages if they're authentic. A lot of them are spam. Weekly, you want to create at least 5 to 10 new pin designs. Review your analytics. Notice what's working. Monthly, you want to evaluate your overall performance and adjust products, new pin styles, and new angles. That's it. Simple, repeatable, and it works if you're consistent. Here's what I want you to walk away with today. Making money on Pinterest is not about hacks or shortcuts. It's about showing up consistently, providing real value, and building trust over time. Whether you're doing affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or moving physical products, your job is to help people solve problems and discover things that they love. Do that consistently, and the income will follow. And don't compare your 30 days to someone else's 3 years. Focus on your own progress. Measure yourself against where you were last week. You've done the hard part. You have the information. Now go do it. If you want more support as you get started, grab our free Pinterest profit plan. It's a 5-day email series that walks you through setting up your monetization strategy from scratch. Whether you're selling digital products, physical products, or doing affiliate marketing, click the link below in the description to get started. Let's recap what you just learned. Pick your monetization method, build your foundation in week 1, create your pins in week 2, start publishing in week 3, analyze and adjust in week 4. Then keep going. This is the final video in our series, but it's just the beginning for you. If you implement what we've covered in these 6 videos, you'll start to see results in the next 60 or 90 days. But remember, they might be baby results. Go back and rewatch any video that you need. The full playlist is in the description. And if this series has been helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm dropping new Pinterest strategy content every other week. In between, I have my podcast interviews that are also really helpful. Now, go make this happen and start to make some sales.